Let's learn 5 bold travel and life change idioms. Number 1. A leap in the dark. It means taking a risk with no idea if it will work. Example: quitting my job to start a business was a leap in the dark. Number 2. Take the plunge. It means commit to a big, risky decision. Example: they finally took the plunge and bought their first house.
Number 3. Turn over a new leaf.
It means change your behavior or start fresh after mistakes. Example: after years of bad habits, he's turning over a new leaf. Number 4. Go out on a limb. It means take a risk by doing something unusual or unsupported. Example: my boss went out on a limb recommending me for the promotion, even though I lacked experience.
Number 5. Cut and run.
It means leave a situation quickly to avoid trouble. Example: when the project failed, they cut and run to save face. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.